This beef stew without wine is so tender, it falls apart with just a spoon. Heat a little oil in a large pot until it's really hot, then add the beef, cut into cubes. Let the beef sear for about a minute, then turn each piece over to brown the other side. 1 minute on each side over high heat is all it needs. Once the beef is nicely browned on the outside but still raw in the middle, remove it from the pot and set it aside for later. In the same pot, add a little more oil if needed. Turn the heat down low and add 1 chopped onion, 1 sliced celery stalk, and 2 sliced carrots. Add 2 minced garlic cloves, a pinch of salt. Give everything a good stir, then cook the vegetables over low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir it into the vegetables for a few seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Give everything another good stir. Then cook the flour for 1 minute. The flour will help thicken the sauce later, and cooking it for a minute gets rid of the raw flour taste. Once that's done, add the beef back to the pot. Stir the beef into the vegetables so everything gets well coated and all the flavors come together. Now add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. Pour in enough beef stock to generously cover everything. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Give everything one last stir, just to make sure the beef and vegetables are fully submerged in the stock. Taste and add a little more salt if your stock is unsalted, like mine. Now cover the pot with a lid and bring it to a boil. Then turn the heat right down and let it cook at a very gentle simmer. On my stove, that's about 3 out of 9. Let it cook like this for about 2 hours, or until the beef is really tender. You'll see just how tender it is in a moment. But first, let's finish it off with some peeled potatoes, cut into chunks. Stir the potatoes into the stew. Cover the pot again and cook over low heat for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender too. And that's it! I hope you enjoy this beef stew. It's made without any wine. And cooked low and slow until the beef is incredibly tender. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and subscribe for more easy, reliable recipes. I'll see you in the next one.